How you guys doing? This is Vernon from Chevy. I'm in the parts department and I'm here to bring you the tip of the day. Every year, the first cold days play havoc with the TPMS. What is the TPMS, you might ask? That is the tire pressure monitoring system. You may see an indicator light on your dash when you walk out on one of the colder mornings. Did you know that cold weather could affect your tire PSI? What that means is with every 10 degrees, your car can lose 1 PSI. That is pounds per square inch. It's not the air escaping the tire, but it's the air condensing inside the tire. This could be a safety risk because it can decrease the handling of your vehicle, the wear and tear on your tires, and it can also affect the gas mileage. Now don't be alarmed. Once you start to drive, the tire pressure will come back to normal. Once it warms, expands, and reaches proper level, the light will go off on its own, so you don't have to worry, but it's always a good idea to check that pressure. So thanks for watching today's tip of the day, and don't forget to check back next week for more tips and tricks, and always remember to schedule your next service appointment at ColeChevy.com.